YouTube, my name is Crumb or Glenn for the win, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Python script that is designed to scan and check the balances of randomly generated Bitcoin and Ethereum wallets. The script utilizes BIP39 mnemonics and interacts with the Etherscan and Blockchain.info APIs to retrieve wallet balances. The information is then displayed into the terminal. Smooth transition, and any wallets with a balance are logged to a file. There's a diagram of it right here, and with that we're going to get right into this. So to make this, I'm going to be using GitHub Codespace as I always do. So we're just going to go ahead and create a new file. We'll name it breadcracker. And here we go. Now always the first thing you're going to want to do is import the necessary modules. We're going to start with the first most important three: subprocess, OS, and system. Alright, and then after that we're going to need to import platform, requests, logging, time, and .env, or something from .env. We'll get to that. Import platform, import requests, import logging. Alright, and then from right here, we're going to do .env, and we're going to do from .env import load underscore .env. This will load the environment variables from a file. And then we're going to do from BIP utils import, and then we're going to do that right there and close that. And then right here we're going to type BIP39 mnemonic. I gotta spell this right. Generator. BIP39 generator. Bit 44 coins. Bit 44 changes, and bit 39 words up. We're going to close that. After that, we're going to need to define file names and paths, because we're going to obviously want to store logs and if we get any hits. So we're going to do a log underscore file underscore name equals, and we'll just call it breadcracker again. And include .log. We're going to do env file name. I like to think env stands for inventory, but I don't think it does, because it's just it's storing things in inventory. So we're going to do breadcracker.env, and then we're going to do wallet file name equals do wallets with balance.txt. And then we're going to set a scan to 0 so that it knows start at 0. And then we're going to do directory equals os.path name os.path.abs path. And then we're going to do 2 underscores file, and then 2 underscores again. Should look like that right there. We're going to go to the next line, do log file path equals os.path.join directory log file name. Alright. Then we're going to, you can assume what we're going to do next. env file name. File path. os.path join directory env file. And then last but not least, we're going to do wallets file path. Wallets file path equals os.path.coin dot no directory. Wallets. There we have that. And for some reason I included quotations on this one. Now, we're going to configure the logging. So we're going to go scroll down over here. We're going to do logging basic config. Level equals logging.info. Format equals percent ASC time. That's outside of that. Stay in the quotations and then do minus percent level name and then S outside of that. Then we're going to do minus percent message. That's outside of that. We're going to add some handlers. Logging file handler logged file. Alright, that's to log to a file, and then we're going to log to a standard output as well. So we're going to do logging.stream handler sys.stdout, and then so that there should be done. We can move on to the next thing now, where we're going to be checking if the environment file exists, and if it doesn't exist, it'll create it. This is for error or exception handling, I suppose. If not, os.path.exists env file, and then the breadcracker.env file doesn't exist. Let's create it. Okay, and then we're going to do ether and underscore API underscore key equals input, and then you have to make sure you write it just like this. Or what? Not on this part, never mind. Enter your Etherscan API key. And do dot strip bing. Then we're gonna go down with open env file path comma capital W right link as env underscore file env underscore file dot write f Etherscan API key equals Etherscan, and then we're gonna do /n. Basically, what this does is this needs to be written just as it's going to scan. It's going to be looking for this line. So with that, we can get on to the next thing. We'll be loading environment variables from file. We'll do load.env env file path required env vars equals Etherscan API key. Missing vars equal var or var in required env vars. If not, os.get env var. And then we're going to check for missing environment variables. So we'll do if missing vars raise environment missing environment. A bit of messy code right here. How to do that. And then we're gonna do what's next? Hold on. We're gonna check if the script is already running in the new command prompt. We're gonna do if os.environ.get running in new cmd options. Exclamation point equal true semicolon. And we're gonna do once again. Let's start env iron running in new equals do os_type equals platform system if os type equals Windows subprocess dot run cmd /k f Python __ file __. And one last thing, we'll do a square mark. Should have done in the beginning as well here. And then shell equals true. We'll add an else if statement. Elif os type Linux. Be easier. Run Python 3 and __ file _. Should do it. And then we'll do sys.exit. Then what we have next is a function to update the command prompt. We'll do define update cmd title if platform dot system equals Windows os.system title thread cracker.py wallets scan, right? And then we're gonna need a function to generate a BIP39 mnemonic. So we'll do define BIP to start with, and then do return BIP39 mnemonic generator dot from words number BIP39 words num dot words num. Now that's done. We'll go to a function to derive the Ethereum wallets from the seed. So we'll do define BIP44 ETH underscore wallet from seed bytes. Seed generator. Seed. We'll do BIP44 MST CTX equals BIP from seed underscore bytes, comma BIP44 coins dot spell Ethereum. Spell Ethereum. Oh no, I have. Alright. And then next we're gonna do this BIP44 ACC underscore CTX equals BIP44 underscore MST underscore CTX dot purpose count 0 dot change BIP or changes dot chain underscore ext dot address index 0. And we'll do ETH address equals BIP44 underscore ACC underscore CTX dot public key to address return Ethereum. Alright, so there's the function to derive the Ethereum wallets from the address seed. Or no, that's what this one was. We'll be moving on to derive Bitcoin from seed. Oh, it's a head pull. So we'll do define BIP44 underscore Bitcoin seed to address seed so that's the seed bytes. We'll do MST CTX from seed and go back into seed bytes, comma Bitcoin stop. And we'll do BIP cc equals bit or stx dot change bit 44 changes dot chain underscore ext. Then we're gonna do address index, so bit 44 underscore addr underscore ctx equals bit 44 chg underscore ctx dot address index 0 return bit 44 underscore address underscore ctx dot public key to address. Now we need a function to check the Ethereum balance using the Etherscan API, which is what we're going to be using. If you don't have Etherscan, you can sign up for it free and get the API. No big deal. So we'll do define check ETH balance address Etherscan API key rise 3 delay equal 5. We'll do API URL equals F, and then you're going to want to copy this address I have over here, paste it in. And we'll do for attempt in range retries try response equals request dot get API URL data equals response dot JSON, and if data status equals 1 5 balance equals, and then confirm it. Here, data or result and then we'll do slash base 1e18 and return balance else logging dot error, exception handling right here, error hitting balance and s data message turn, and then so if it's not real, return as 0. We'll add another exception statement. Accept exception as accept exception e if attempt retries login error error checking balance retrying in delay seconds STRE we will gotta end the quotation information there. Over that. And then we'll do time.sleep. Sleep 4. Set for delay. Where did I put the wire? There's no doubt in my mind that I haven't made typing errors so far. Alright, and then from here we'll do else login dot error checking balance this comma str except this needs to be in normal. Turn row. Alright, so now we need a function to write wallet information to a file. Define write to file. Feed BTC address BTC balance and ETH balance. Let's do it first. There's that line for the log message. Do f.write into the log message. And then we'll do logging into written to file. Message. And that's the end of that function. Next, we need a function to clear previous lines in the command prompt to keep everything nice and pretty. So we'll do define clear previous lines. Move up sequence equals f slash 0 33. We'll do lines a. Then we need a clear sequence. Print move up sequence plus clear sequence. That's the end of that. Now onto the main function. Here we go, guys. This is the main part right here. So define main globally. Oh, wait, no, just global. Wallets scanned try while true. Check Bitcoin balance. ETH address. Seed. We'll do Etherscan API key. So let's get in Etherscan API key. And if not Etherscan API key, raise value error. Etherscan API key must set in the private variable. And then we'll do ETH balance equals check ETH balance. Oh, that's balance. Check ETH balance. ETH address. Etherscan API key. Subprocess.run clear. Print off the screen here. F seed Bitcoin address. And we'll do Ethereum balance. Ethereum address, I mean. We'll do two more quotations, comma, and equal. Two more quotations. And then update CMD title. Wallets underscore scanned plus equals 1 if Bitcoin balance 0 ETH balance login.info balance. And we'll do write file, seed, address, balance, address, and Ethereum. Sleep one. Accept. Import. Interrupt. Logging.info. Program interrupted. User exit. Sleep one. I'll go down. If name equal main, go to main. And that's the code, boys and gentlemen. With that, we have a few things we need to have installed. IP install. Well, I have a txt file in here. I'm gonna open this so you guys can see. You need to install. Thing. I'm assuming this code's not going to work. I can almost guarantee I've mistyped something. But I will release this on the GitHub, and it will be working there. Find the link in the description. Python record.py. Yeah, see, so it's not going to work. I'm not even going to bother trying to get it to work. We'll just copy and paste the code that I used. Gotta install PIP utils too. And you have to make sure your Windows, your terminal is updated. Remember that. So I'm going to update all this. Might take it a second. Sorry about that, guys. After updating PIP and my server, it should work now. So we'll do a Python record.py It wants us to input the Etherscan API key. So here I'm gonna go get that. I'm just not gonna show that. Sorry if you hear my dog. So then we go ahead and put that in. Using it's not wanting if I can put it in. Because it didn't copy it. Now it's there, alright? Pretend I put it in. Alright, so we're gonna press Python break it up pi. See? Boom, we're generating addresses. Most of them are gonna have 0 on it, but if it finds one that doesn't have 0 on it, it'll save it to there you go, there's the script. Hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Go and download this off of GitHub, and have a good day.